Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add credit card or debit card on Instagram shopping. So how to do that? First you need to open Instagram as see from here, and you will be on the home screen as see from here. Now you need to click on the profile picture on the down right corner. After that you need to click on the three lines on the top right corner. And now from here you need to search for order or payment. As see from here you will see the orders and payments section. You need to just click on it. And now from here you will see credit and debit cards as payment methods. You can just click on it. As see from here it will redirect you to MetaPay, and you can from here add your credit or debit card. So you need to click on add debit or credit card. And now from here you can add the card number, month and year, CVV, and your country, full name, street address, and zip code. So after you do add all the information, you can just hit on save, and now you successfully have added the credit or debit card. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.